Hey there everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix microphone not working issue on your iPhone after 17.5 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, which is 17.5, they are facing an issue of microphone, that their microphone is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix microphone not working issue on your iPhones. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check for physical obstructions. Ensure that there are no physical obstructions covering the microphone, such as dirt, dust, or debris. Clean the microphone area carefully with a soft brush or cloth. After this, then you have to do is simply remove your phone case or accessories. If you are using a phone case or any accessories with your iPhone, such as headphones or Bluetooth devices, move them and test the microphone again. Sometimes cases or accessories can interfere with the microphone's operation. After trying these two steps, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can sometimes resolve temporary glitches affecting the camera. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply check your microphone settings. You have to go to the settings on your iPhone, then go to privacy and security. Go back, tap on privacy security, tap on microphone and ensure that the microphone is enabled for the app that requires it. Make sure to toggle next to each app in turn on. So guys, after trying all of these steps and still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. Resetting all settings on your iPhone can sometimes resolve software related issues affecting the microphone. To do this, you have to simply open the general, then scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these are some simple steps with how to fix microphone not working issue on your iPhones. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.